I love that you're spoiled, like I really was going to Circle of Trust.
Oh, it's the public.
Yeah, that was exciting, very exciting. I was really, really young and really terrible. Some things don't change. I'm older now. It was something.
Has everybody seen it? Oh my God, do yourself a favor tonight and watch it.
Great.
It is awesome. Yeah. Early casting.
My voice is like 5 octaves higher.
Hey, Mr. Senior Officer, I found a leak in the toilet. Come help me plug it.
He was a fire marshal or an FN fiddle. You're in the Navy, aren't you?
Yes.
I can tell. What kind of a craft are you on?
I'm a lieutenant, and I just came from USS George Washington for deployed to Japan.
No way.
Currently in the UK.
Amazing, thank you.
How long was your deployment?
2 years, and we did 2 6-month deployments. Went all over South China Sea. It was a great time, and you have never seen so many supernatural laptops out in the listed berthing as I have.
That is awesome. Did you show it to your fellow?
I actually did show it to a couple of fellow officers. We were cracking up because you did exactly what we wish all of our enlisted would do.
Well, I'm amazed that your enlisted don't do what he did, because it's like he's about to start welding, I believe, and he's standing in a pool of fuel, of gasoline. and what he's like, you know what? I should probably clean this up first. So, if they're not doing that, that's a problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.